Hi everyone. Today we will discuss material handling, an important topic in production and materials management. Materials handling plays a vital role in manufacturing and warehousing by ensuring that materials move safely and efficiently from one place to another. Next slide. Introduction. Materials handling refers to movement, storage, production, and control of materials throughout the production process. The main objective is to ensure the right material reaches the right place at the right time in a right quantity. An effective materials handling system improves productivity, reduces cost, minimizing delays, and ensures smooth production. In an automobile factory, engines and spare parts are transported from the warehouse to assembly line using conveyors and forklifts. Next, objectives of material handling. Reduce handling cost by minimizing unnecessary movement, increase productivity through faster movement of materials, improve workplace safety by reducing manual handling, minimize material damage during transportation and storage, maximize space utilization in warehouses and production areas. Next, Next slide, principles of material handling. Planning. Plan the movement of material before production begins. Standardization. Use standard methods and equipments wherever possible. Ergonomics. Design work to reduce worker fatigue and injuries. Unit load. Move material in groups rather than individually. Safety. Ensure safe handling practices and product equipment. System principle. Integrate handling activities with the entire production system. Next. Next slide. Equipment of material handling. Forklifts uh, and transport heavy pallets. Conveyors move material continuously between workstation. Cranes and hoses lift very heavy loads vertically. Pallet trucks move palletized goods over short distance. AGV, automated guided vehicles, driverless vehicle used in modern factories. Robots handle repetitive and precise material movement in automated industries. Next, benefits. What are the benefits of material handling? That means save times and labor, improves inventory control and stock management, reduces workplace accidents, increases production efficiency, enhances product quality by reducing damage, support faster delivery to customers. Next, what are the challenges facing while material handling? These are the points. High initial investment in equipment, regular maintenance cost, safety risks in equipment is not used properly, limited storage space in some industries, material damage due to improper handling. Next. Next slide, conclusion. Materials handling is an essential function in every manufacturing and logistic organization. A well-designed handling system reduces cost, minimizes waste, improves safety, and increases productivity. With advancements in technology, automation, robotics, and AGVs are shaping the future of material handling. Thank you.